Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. So today's video is gonna very special. If you are a student and if you are a housewife or if you are a job holder and if you are looking for extra money, that's mean you're gonna start your side hustle. So this video for you. So guys, this is your ultimate guide video how you can start your affiliate marketing business. So I will show you the proof how people are working and how they're making money. So don't worry, you don't need to have spend any money. So just spend your time. That's why my slogan is invest in yourself. You can start with no money. In 2024, there is no need to spend money. Just you have to spend yourself. Just gather your knowledge and the proper knowledge. That's been the guidelines that you follow. I will show you a step-by-step process. That's mean how you can find Amazon product, how you can find the Pinterest trends, and then I will show you how you can create Amazon URL to product video, and then you can upload in your Pinterest or YouTube wherever you want. Alright guys, so this is the step-by-step process, so you have to just learn about this. Alright, it's pretty much easy guys. So the most common question is who can start? Okay, so anyone can start. If you have a computer or laptop, even mobile, so you can start. Definitely you must have to a strong internet connection guys. Pinterest is the one of the greatest platform where you can find the audience like United States audience, and also you can find Pinterest trends. If you don't know how to use Pinterest trends, so this video also gonna help you a lot. So this is the page Pinterest trends, and you will find top trends in United States this month. So if you are not in the United States, so maybe you can select your country over there. You will find discover trends in the United States, keywords, the most important. So the left hand sidebar you will find the filters. You can filter like your interest base or any keyword or age or any gender. And the trends, click on the trends, you will find top yearly trends, growing, seasonal, and top monthly. So click on top monthly trends. What kind of product they are searching, so you can find this kind of trends, and this is the 100% genuine guys. So if you create this kind of product video, you're gonna get more views, and then when you get more views, that's mean you can make money. I opened already an account for you guys. How to be the best version of yourself. It's a female account, and you'll find 1.1 million monthly views. If you scroll down, you will amazed to see this, that the most of the videos and images Amazon affiliate. So if I click on that, so air flyer, simplify your small kitchen with this. So if you click on that, it will go back to directly your Amazon. If you purchase any product, okay, within 60 days or 90 days, she gonna make money. So this is how they make money. Okay guys, so maybe you notice that Pinterest allow images and also the videos. So we can create images and videos. So I will show you how we can create videos guys. Let's go back to Amazon, and it's time to create our videos. Alright guys, so what kind of videos do you want to produce? Alright guys, so already we analyzed our trending products. Okay, so you can pick homecoming dresses, also you can select fall outfit or men. Let's copy the keyword and let's go back to the Amazon and just paste it here. Alright, also you can type 24, it's okay, no problem. Alright guys, so this is the second page. That's mean the first step, you have to analyze your keyword or niche. This is called niche or category. What kind of product you want to create. Grab the keyword and then paste it here. It's pretty simple. And right hand corner you will find bestseller. Click on bestseller. That's mean fall outfit omen 2024. These are the bestseller. You can check their reviews, you can check their past month sales. So I think this one is great. Total reviews 5,349, 1K bought in the past month, and price is very cheap, $14. So let's open this product. So many of you just asking me that can I use this image or can I use this videos? You can, but I think you shouldn't use this because there is a copyright strike problem over there. Okay, so this is not your content, this is not your generated videos or images. Now I am going to show you how we can create videos. Okay, so let's grab this product URL and go back to tools flexclip.com. click on AI video generator. And once you landed AI video generator, you will find AI text to video, article to video. Let's click on article to video, and it's time to put our article here. So paste it here. Alright guys, and it's time to generate. Click on generate. So let's click on subtitle and click on that, and you will find the subtitles. Also you can make different styles. So click on style and then select this one. I think this one is perfect. Okay guys, and the most important, we have to produce Pinterest video. Okay, so this is the format of 16:9 ratio for perfect for YouTube, but we have to create 9:16 because it's perfect for shorts video, reels video, or Pinterest, whatever you want. It's time to download. Okay, also you can change the content, also change the images and videos. Okay, so I have 2 videos already I made, so check it out into my YouTube channel, you will find. Okay, so it's time to export. Click on export and make it 1080 pixel, that's mean 1080 pixel, and frame ratio make sure 60 fps, and quality it should be high quality. So click on export. Alright guys, finally our video is downloaded. So check your download folder, and it's time to upload it to our Pinterest. So I hope your Pinterest account is ready. Okay, so let's click on here and click on create pin. Alright, and very important, we recommended using high quality JPG files less than 20 megabyte or MP4 files less than 200 megabyte. Let's upload our video. Click on here. So our video already uploaded here. This is our video. Okay, so also you can edit their cover. So click on edit, set their thumbnail. Okay, before they play your video, it's very important guys. So I think this one is perfect. So if you don't like this, just click on edit and select your liked option. Okay, all right, so we have to put their title, description and links. So grab the title, you can copy and paste, no problem, paste it here. Also you can paste it into description, also you can collect that description. Okay, perfect. So our title, description are ready, and it's time to put our link. That's been our affiliate link. You have to sign up Amazon Associated, that's been Amazon affiliate marketing program. You have to sign up. So it's pretty simple, just sign up. There is just 3 steps: sign up, recommend and earn. Okay, up to you can earn 10% commission. So who can earn this money and who can make this account approval? So just read it there, frequently asked question, you got your answer. Just sign up your account, and once your account is approved, you will find options where you can grab their affiliate URL. Okay, I think you got it, and then you can put it here and then you can publish. That's it guys. So I hope you got my all the through process. So if you have any queries, please comment below, and if you love this content, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So feel free to ask me, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will come back with another tutorials. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Tada, bye bye.